Hi everyone, Christine here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to all my new subscribers. I'm going to be guest designing for ScrapDivaDesigns for the month of July. So thank you so much, sweetie, for inviting me back. And so let me share with you Erica's information. Her website is ScrapDivaDesigns.com, and here's her hashtag and all of her social media sites, which I'm going to leave down below. And so this release will be available for purchase on July 5th. And so starting with this one is called the 3D carousel tray. And it measures across 5.5 inches. And I haven't put it together yet, but it'll measure approximately 4 inches in height. And so I cannot wait to play with that one. And this next one is the Jelly Bag Mini Tote. And it's a super cute size. It measures 4 1/4 by 4 1/2, and there's 2 pages of dies here. And then there's flower number 2, and there's 3 different sizes. No, 4 different sizes. You have the largest one, which is 1 5/8. Then there's 1 1/2 inch, 1 3/8, and 1/2 inch. So I'm so excited to play with that. And also there's a butterfly mini album number 2, and it comes with 2 pages of dies. And this measures 6 1/2 by 5 inches, and then the little butterflies measure 2 1/2 by 2 inches. And then there's a umbrella shaker die, super cute. And then this one is fun. This one is called Summer Banner. And you have these umbrella banners with layers. And then you have these cute little crab banners with layers. Super cute. And this one I love. I took it out of the package so you can see the flowers. This one is called A2 Victorian Oval. I think this one's my favorite. And this one measures 4 3/4 by 4 1/8, and they have a couple layers. And look at all these flowers, and I love that they're small. And there's these tiny little leaves. Love, love, love this one. And then this one here is called Summer Words 2 2025, and I wrote these down. They are vacation, please, beach, vibes, relax, and good. So I cannot wait to play with all of these. And like I said before, the release day is July 5th. And I'm going to leave my affiliate links down below, as well as my coupon code, PinkHouse10. But please show all the designers some love and use their codes as well. They're all super amazing. And anyway, stay tuned for my projects, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.